Hey guys, okay, so this is kind of an impromptu video. I actually just got done filming another video and I was looking at my Instagram DMs and I got a DM from one of you guys asking me to check out this post and to tell you guys my thoughts on it. But basically, their post says, after 10 years of selling on Poshmark, I've quit and here's why. So the person wanted to know like my thoughts on this. So I don't know, I thought this would be a cool video to you know, kind of go through and talk about. I just looked at the first one and already I'm like, so yeah, I haven't looked at her other points. She has 5 reasons why. So yeah, so let's go through this and let's dissect this and I'll tell you guys my thoughts on this. She's been selling on Poshmark for 10 years. I'm not shaming this person either. Somebody randomly sent this to me and I'm just gonna react to it. Okay, it says, number 1, this app is mentally abusive by both the company and a percentage of the community. I'm sick of taking clear photos, measurements, editing, stock in my house, all for lowball offers. Put a reserve price already. My time is worth more than the repetitive closet clear out bullshit, which Poshmark graces us with daily. Okay, so that's like 3 different things for number 1. The app is mentally abusive by the company and a percentage of the community. I don't really know what they mean by that. Like what... I don't know. I feel like they'd need to elaborate on that. As far as the lowball offers, I feel like I've talked about this many times. Don't take shit personally in your business. Like, people are going to lowball. There's nothing you can do. People want to get stuff at a deal. If you take that personal, if you get pissed off at it, then reselling isn't for you. It really isn't. Like, you can't blame someone for wanting to get a deal. They're not insulting you. You know, it's not like a personal attack on you. I've said this so many times. Don't get insulted by lowball offers. Counter or decline the offer and move on. Don't dwell on it. Don't let it piss you off. Like, don't put that much emotion into it because it's not worth it. It's not about that. It's nothing personal. They just want to get a deal, you know? My time is worth more than the repetitive closet clear out bullshit. I mean, you don't have to participate in closet clear out, so that's not really a reason. I don't think you don't have to participate in it. Yes, Poshmark does closet clear out like every couple of days, but you don't have to participate in it. So I don't know why that would affect you. Number 2, I'm sick of the social media drama and everyone trying to impress each other. I'm guilty of that too. So sick of it. I don't know what they mean by that. Are you talking like package pictures and people are like, look how many sales I had? That's more social media than I think Poshmark, because people on every platform do that. Again, you don't have to look at it, you know? Number 3, I'm sick of defending my perfectly described and photographed listings to buyers and Posh when cases are open. I agree with this one. In a sense, I have had a couple of cases where, you know, I've had good pictures and the description's been good, and for whatever reason, Poshmark decided to side with the buyer, and that's frustrating. So, I mean, yeah, in a sense, I agree with that, but that wouldn't alone be a reason why I would quit Poshmark. Number 4, I'm sick of Poshmark taking not just me, but us, the community as a whole. I'm sick of being used by Poshmark for their benefit, never giving back, always taking and then pulling shady shit like the La Via closet campaign. Fuck that. So I talked about that in a video that I filmed previously. There's a whole drama going on with this closet called La Via. I mean, I don't know. They're a company. They want to make money. They're not here as much as Poshmark pushes like, oh, it's a community. It's a community. At the end of the day, they're a business. They're not concerned with making friends. They want to make money above friendship. Again, it's not a personal thing. It's a business thing. So I don't know. I can't really get mad at them. Number 5, sick of Poshmark fucking around with the algorithm, which constantly messes up the flow of our sales and overall closet traffic. I do agree that's annoying. It sucks. But again, they're a business. They want to try new things out. You know, they have to beta test things if they want to evolve. So as much as it sucks, it's something that's inevitable and there's really nothing that we can do about it. And they say, let's not forget, as a community, we built Poshmark. Poshmark did not build Poshmark. Without us, they would be nothing. I mean, yeah, obviously without us, they would be nothing. No shipping deals. Everything comes out of our pocket. What? No shipping deals? When did they posted this 16 hours ago, so maybe they didn't know about the free shipping thing that Poshmark did. They did it 2 times, which I talked about in a previous video. I do think there are things that need to be ironed out with that. Then she says, no actual perks for being an ambassador or an ambassador too, even though we've all busted our ass earning that. No lower seller fees, no shipping deal, and instead they use us in their global campaign to make them more money. I've already boxed up my inventory. I'm absolutely done. Okay, this person's clearly very frustrated with Poshmark. I'm curious to see the comments. My thoughts on that. I'm not shading this person at all. I have no idea who this person is. And this isn't like an attack on this person. I just wanted to see their reasons for quitting. And yeah, like I said, I really want to know what they mean by the app is mentally abusive by both the company and a percentage of the community. Like, what do you, maybe I should comment on this and be like, what do you mean by that? Yeah, as far as lowball offers, that's just, you got to just deal with that. People really just should get over that, because you'd save yourself a lot of headache and stress if you just accepted the fact that people want to buy things for a deal and they're not attacking you. They just want to get a deal. Like, I don't know. The drama, the social media drama, there's going to be drama with everything, with every company. Like, you move to eBay, there's even more drama with eBay. You move to Mercari. I haven't really seen much drama with Mercari. Depop, I actually follow a Depop account that's like Depop drama or something like that. And then as far as Poshmark taking from us, I mean, we agree to everything. Like, nobody reads the fine print and the terms and service, but we agree to all this shit when we sign up for their website. The thing with the La Via closet, that is kind of strange considering how much backlash they received. I wonder if Poshmark is going to address that. When I'm filming this video, it's fairly new, as in like a couple of days ago the drama started. So yeah, that's not enough to make me want to quit. Like, all of this stuff isn't enough to make me quit. You know, I mean, the algorithm, they want to evolve. And in order to do that, you have to make changes. You have to try stuff out. So that's inevitable. The lower seller fees. I mean, obviously, I'd rather have lower seller fees, but it kind of is what it is. Final thoughts on this post. I don't think that all of this is enough to make me quit Poshmark, especially after 10 years. Like, it's not like all of this has been going on for the full 10 years, Those are my thoughts on that. Definitely there are things that I think Poshmark should change. I mean, they're not perfect. I'm not gonna be like, oh my God, Poshmark is so amazing, because it's not. Does it make me money? Yes. Am I happy with things? Yes. Am I unhappy with some things? Yes. I don't feel like there's ever gonna be like there's never gonna be a time where everyone on Poshmark is 100% happy, because you can't please everyone. So yeah, those are just kind of my thoughts on that post. You guys should comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I do have videos where I've said, things that Poshmark should change. I'll link those down below. Maybe I'll do an updated one if you guys are interested. But I need to stop talking now, because this is my 4th video I filmed in a row and my throat hurts. And these are amazing. All right, so that's it for this video. Again, you guys should comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.